If you're not able to see adult content on YouTube, or maybe the comments are restricted or blank, this is most likely a restriction on your account within YouTube/Google. I'm going to show you two different places that you need to check and modify so they are correct and show you the correct content depending on your age. The first thing we're going to do is open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. Go to youtube.com. Tap on the U button at the bottom right, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Next, tap on General at the top. And then midway down is Restricted Mode. It says this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. You can just toggle that off. Now, if this is an option to be able to toggle this off, you could be good to go. However, if you can't turn it off or it's still not working, let's check the second thing. Hop out of here and open up a web browser. From here, just type in Google Family Link. Again, search for Google Family Link, and then tap on Family Link at the top. Tap on Sign In to sign into your Google account, and you'll be able to see here is my Google account, and you could be a parent or you could have a parent that has restricted your Google account through the Google Family Link. If it is all set up correctly, you might be good to go, or you might need to tap on YouTube here and change whether YouTube is set to maybe YouTube Kids for your Google account. And depending on your age, it could have the correct or incorrect age restrictions. Now, the last place that you might want to check that could be restricting is to tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General midway down. And then scroll down to the bottom to VPN and Device Management. Tap on that. If you have a device management profile that are usually set up by schools or workplaces, this could also restrict your ability to see adult or 18 plus content on YouTube. And unfortunately, as long as that profile is on your device, it will restrict what type of content you can see. I hope this helps. If you enjoy this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too. And thanks for watching.